You knock that bird's nest in the barbecue, you're eating it.
Hell no! Don't waste them eggs, man. We'll cook them up for breakfast.
Bird eggs?
Hell yeah!
Well, I guess a chicken's a bird, but what are
It's about 7 or 8, 10 of them to make a good fucking omelet.
are those starlings?
Right? It should be right up in there.
Keep climbing, Josh. He was looking at my hair when he was looking up at the tree. Terry, sure you want one of these cigars? They're pretty good. Hey, Dave, jump to the roof like I do. Terry knows where they're at. That's where he's raising them. That's where he gets his eggs every morning.
What's that?
That's where Terry gets his eggs every morning. Huh?
There's for sure birds nest. Well, come down and crawl out that branch.
We got one more. I think it's up.
Yeah, get one more. You know this old maple